Hi there. Welcome to Slot House. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add and withdraw credits to your favorite games. It's quick, easy, and ensures you're always ready to play. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Slot House account. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in. To add credits to a game, start by locating the game you want to play. Next to the game, you'll see an Add Credits button. Click on it to proceed. Before you proceed, make sure you've logged out of the game. This ensures a smooth recharge or redeem process. If you're still logged in, go ahead and log out, then come back to this step. Now, enter or select the amount of credits you'd like to add. Once you've chosen the amount, click Confirm to complete the request. Credits will be deducted from your main balance and added to your game account. This process usually takes just a few seconds. If it takes longer than 2 minutes, don't worry. Just reach out to our support team using the chat icon and they'll be happy to assist you. After playing your games, if your balance has changed, make sure to click the Refresh Balance button to fetch your current game balance. This ensures your account reflects the most up-to-date credits. Ready to withdraw your credits? Locate the game you've been playing and click the Withdraw button. Enter the amount you'd like to withdraw and click Confirm. The credits will be deducted from your game balance and added back to your main balance. And that's it! You've successfully added and withdrawn credits to your game account. Now you're all set to enjoy your favorite games and manage your credits with ease. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!